Welcome to Caseback Watches, my name is Tim and this video is a direct result of one of my last videos where I've spoken about the topic, is Swiss made so important for me? The answer was no. And I've spoken there briefly about the service Mafia. And then, believe it or not, many people from all around the world have sent me their service bills from the famous and big companies in Switzerland. And guys, I have to apologize. I thought my Jaeger-LeCoultre bill of 1,500 euros was pricey. It was damn affordable compared to your bills you have sent me. And the record set let's say a cost estimate from Jaeger-LeCoultre so crazy, so from another world that I have to present you that bill or cost estimate in this video. And I will do more. I present you the dialogue between a senior advisor at Jaeger-LeCoultre and a young apprentice, a dialogue which had led then to this cost estimate from hell. And the supervisor is played by me, and the apprentice, let's call him Robin, is played by Caseback. All right, so let's begin. Sir, may I have 5 minutes of your time? I have a very difficult calculation here. An individual from Australia has sent us a memo box, 40 years old, inherited by his father, and now he wants a service for the watch. But it's difficult with such an old watch. Please, can you help me with that? So as I understood, this gentleman has not contributed to the success of our great company, although he had several decades time to be a client of our company. And so now he has to make something up. What was the currency? Australian dollars? Okay, write 5,000 Australian dollars in the cost estimate. Oh, 5,000. Oh, okay, 5,000. Sir, this might represent the entire value of the watch and it's double the amount we charge usually. Maybe this is a little... Young man, you have to read the signs. You have to learn to read the signs. The watch was in possession by his father. He inherited that watch. The watch is not replaceable. The watch is priceless. We can write on the bill whatever we want. I think you need a new mindset. We have worked very long on this and now we can do whatever we want against our customers, against our clients. To demonstrate you this, please write on the cost estimate 7,500 Australian dollars. Is this not a form of crime, sir? Who hired you? But sir, I have to write something on the list. I mean, we have an entire calculation here with all those positions. They cannot sum up to 7,500. I mean, here's the plexiglass crystal, generic plexi. The worth of the plexi is nothing. He could have changed his plexi in Australia for 25 bucks. So what should I write here? Write 425. 425 Australian dollars. The 25 is a sign for our respect to the local craftsmen. The 400 are for us. But crowns, unfortunately, we don't have the crowns any longer in stock for this model, so we have to replace them with generic crowns, and the value of a generic crown is 0. Please look at your company ID card. The first 3 numbers, please. 290. Put the numbers on the cost estimate. Okay. Do all positions sum up now to 7,500 Australian dollars, no, young man? No. It doesn't sum up. The task is impossible. The task is absolutely impossible. Here's a huge gap of 2,690 Australian dollars. Is there rust on the dial? Yes, of course, there's pretty much oxidation on the remove dial. Rust for 2,690 Australian dollars. Those are a few strokes with a brush and some varnish. It's half an hour work. You know, there is a vacancy at Citizens. Would you like to change to Citizens? No, everything's okay. 2,690 against rust. Sorry, sir, we have forgotten the second hand. The second hand, what shall I write on the cost estimate? 1,000 Australian dollars for the second hand? No, we do this for free for 0 Australian dollars, the sign of our generosity. Okay, that's all, sir? No, that's not all. Send Caseback Tim from Caseback Watches a big cheese. Oh, this individual, yeah, I've heard that he's not so good for our reputation. He has some issue with our business practices. I have no idea why. And that's exactly the reason why you place our decorated mechanical fragmentation grenade into the cheese. Yeah, impossible. Moral issues. Not exactly moral issues, sir, but the fragmentation grenade is a way for a service.